when you purchase this power recorder from Berkeley Wing. Don't you know that? This you can turn to the bird whistle. Very simple, because when they come with this pieces clean rope, you can put a tissue with all the way in and putting inside a cup of water. Make sure totally wet, and then put between the mouthpiece parts and the second parts, and putting back. Send like the regular way. Then you can play with the left hand and right hand like this. I'm not professional, but you can improv by yourself. For this very simple recorder, you can fully enjoy the rest of your life.